Makinuy.
Tutok lang ulo, ala. Yung na kasi.
Saan kami baby? Natin.
To Kalimlim, 13 seconds. At makukuha yon 10 seconds. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. That's the three, but no good. Montemayor. And then the photographer ng King Philip. At no good for 3. No good. At makukuha ni number 3. Pasa kay number. Ay, 7. Ribo. To number 8. Valdez. Reading the ball. Ang hanap ng diskarte. Valdez. Diretso for 3. No good. At makukuha ngayon ni Season is strongly guarded to number 20, Morin. And Morin pasa kay number 21, Di Gamon. Nilapit na magkit, pero wala. At ngayon makukuha ni number 7, Ribo. At Lugog, looking for the receiver to number 5, Kalimlim, to number 16. 10 seconds to shoot. At Lugog ngayon, running shot, but no good. At makukuha to number 3. It's third quarter. Valdez ngayon, ibibigay kay Ribo. Ribo ngayon, dribbling the ball. Looking for the receiver to number 5, Kalimlim. Number 5, Kalimlim to number 7, Ribo to number 11, Aglugog. And Aglugog ngayon, hahanap ng diskarte. Aglugog nagpumilit, dalawang kanyang gwardya. Fade away shot of Aglugog, 2 points. 6 minutes and 35 seconds time remaining. At ngayon, number 20, Morin. And Morin ngayon is strongly guarded by number 7, Ribo. Turn around, Morin. Di diretso, bigay kay 12 seconds on the shot clock. Number 21, Di Gamon. 10. It's in. Ribo to Kalimlim, pero nakikiwan ni number 3. Number 3 ngayon, so number 20, Morin. Tatlo ang kanyang gwardya, nagpumilit. Last touch, bola pa rin ng Pulong Norte. 5 minutes and 57 seconds time remaining on this third quarter. Morin looking for the receiver. Bigay kay number 6, makalagay to number 1, Season. Nagpumilit. Running shot of number 1, Season. 2 points. 2 puntos na lang ang hinahabol ng Pulong Norte. At ngayon, number 11, Aglugog, strongly guarded by number 3, Makaraheg. And saves the ball, Aglugog. Number 26, Galietes, 10 seconds to shoot. And number 7, Ribo, no good, makukuha. And there is a fun. Di Gamon ngayon versus Kalimlim. It's the 2 points of number 21, Di Gamon. Number 26, Galietes to number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog ngayon is strongly guarded by Season and Morin. Di diretso si Aglugog. Number 7, Ribo to number 5, Kalimlim. Offensive foul on number 5, Kalimlim. Second personal foul. Second team foul of Tumashan. 5 minutes and 7 seconds time remaining. Number 20, Morin to number 1, Season. And Season ngayon, hahanap ng diskarte. Season is strongly guarded by Aglugog. Bigay kay Morin. And Morin to number 6, Makaraheg. Reverse shot. It's up 2 points of number 6, Makaraheg. 42-44. At number 3, nahuli to number 6, Makaraheg. Nakukuha ngayon ni number 26, Galietes to Kalimlim. No good. Makaraheg to number 20. Bigay kay number 6, Makaraheg. Wide open pero no good. Makaraheg takes. Tapal. At ngayon, Makaraheg pa rin. Bigay ngayon kay number 1, Cesar. 10 seconds to shoot. And number 2, 20, Morin to number 1, Season for 3. No good. At ngayon, magagawa ng bola is in. 45-42 our official score. At ngayon, number 7, Reebok to Aglugog. And Aglugog ngayon, looking for the receiver and drives the ball. Aglugog pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Aglugog. Perimeter jumper. It's a 2 points of Aglugog, number 11. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Time remaining 45-44. So, makukuha ang bola ni number 26, Galiates to Valdez. And Valdez hindi napigilan. 2 points of Valdez. Bigamon ngayon, looking for the receiver. Mabibitaw ng bola ni Macarol at Galiates. 2 points. 3 minutes and 21 seconds. 48-45. Naagaw pa rin ang bola ni Kalimlin. Follow up by Galiates. It's a 2 points. Hindi makatawid ang bola para sa Pulong Norte. At ngayon, number 3, nanguna na. It's a 2 points of number 3. 50-47, 3 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Poblacion, Tumasan. Valdez ngayon, Valdez bigay kay Aglugog. Aglugog reverse shot. It's a 2 points of Aglugog. Number 20, Murin to number 1 season, intercepted by number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog ngayon, didiretso bigay kay Kalimlim. And Kalimlim to back to Aglugog. And Aglugog kay Poblacion, Tumasan, number 1 season. Season ngayon. Galiates, pulling foul. 3rd personal foul. And 4th team foul. Warning for penalty on Barangay Poblacion, Tumasan. Macarol to number 6. Offensive foul of number 6. Macarol. And first team foul of Pulong Norte. At ngayon, Aglugog tapang ni Season. At makukuha pa rin ni Galiates to number 5, Kalimlin. At Kalimlin bibigay kay number 4, Abalos to number 8, Valdez. Maagaw ni number 1 ngayon. Number 1, Season to number 20. Wala pa rin. Number 5, Kalimlim to Abalos, number 4 of Barangay Tumasan, Poblacion. At ngayon, strongly guarded by number 20, Morin. And there is a foul. Cylinder foul. Valdez. Valdez ngayon, 10 seconds to shoot. Diretso ngayon, nabigyan ng space si Valdez. Wrong shot, pero lumabas. Ngayon, makukuha ni Morin. Bibigay kay Season. Season! It's a 2 points of Season. 52-49. Number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog ngayon, mabibigyan ng space din. It's a 2 points. Number 20, Morin. 54-49. And foul. Number 11, Aglugog. To Abalos, back to Aglugog. And Aglugog to Valdez, number 8. And Valdez ngayon. Valdez for 3. No good. Nakakuha ni Macarol to number 1, Season. At maagaw. Number 22, Tamayo. 2 points. 54-53. 50 seconds. Time remaining. Ibibigay kay Abalos. Nakuha ni number 3, Macarol. And Macarol. Bola pa rin ng Barangay. Tamayo. Nabigyan ng space pero wala. Defensive rebound of number 5. Pulong Norte. 38.2 seconds. Time remaining. 38.2 seconds. Murin. 2. Bigamon to number 6, Macarol. Offensive foul of number 6, Macarol. 30 seconds. Number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog ngayon, 25 seconds. Aglugog, 2. And this is the hunter, 20.3 seconds. At ngayon, Season. Sasalaksak si Season. No good follow-up by Macarol, number 3. seconds. 55-54. Lamang ng isang puntos ang Barangay Pulong Norte. Atin dito sa Tumasyan ha. At kay Vincent de Tanay. Medyo din kayo. Number 1, Season. Season ngayon is strongly guarded by Aglugo to number 20, Morin. Bibigay kay Digamon. Nobin, makukuha ngayon ni Valdez. Pass fake to number 4, Abalos. Pintawan pa ang bola. Number 3, Magaraag. Bola ngayon ng Barangay Poblacion, Tumasyan. Looking for the receive to number 5, Kalimlim. Aglugo for 3. It's a lucky bounce. Number 11, Aglugo. 57-55. Ngayon, Season. At ang pang-apat na deadlock score, 57 all. And Aglugo laban. Number 3. Symbol. Number 22, Tamayo. To Digamon. It's a 2 points of Digamon. Lamang pa rin ang Barangay Pulong Norte. At ngayon, Aglugo. No good. Number 21, to Season. Intercepted by Valdez. Valdez for 3. It's a 2 points of number 8, Valdez. Balik ang kalamangan sa Tumasyan ng isang puntos. Tamayo ngayon is strongly guarded by Valdez. At Tamayo, Tinobre, Abalos. And foul number 22. At tayo hugang mo no, patayin nyo na atin niya. Number 11, Aglugo to number 8, Valdez. Di diretso si Valdez. Nabitawan. Di natin na lang ha. Tamayo. To Digamon. And Digamon ngayon. Ready? Number 12 to number 11, Aglugo. Nagmamadali si Aglugo. Aglugo using the glass, but no good. At makukuha pa rin ni Aglugo. To Abalos. And Abalos ngayon to number 12, 10 second to shoot. Makadaag, no good. At bola ng Pulong Norte. 62-59, tatlong puntos ang abante ng Barangay Tumasyan. Number 1, Season. And Season, nakatinang ang bola. Nakuha pa rin ni Season. At Season ngayon, didiretso ito di naman. Number 8, Valdez. Valdez ngayon, bigay kay Abalos. Aglugo. Saves the ball. No, late. 30 seconds. At ayon, Tamayo. Muli. To number 22, Tamayo. Di diretso si Tamayo. Madidigawan, Dudulin Angel at Lugong ngayon. Foul number 1. Number 12 to number 8, Valdez. And Valdez ngayon. Bibigay kay number 5, Kalimlim. 2 points. 64-59, 5 puntos ang abante ng Poblacion. And 6 by Magaraag. Bigay kay number 21, Digamon. Mabibitawan, saves the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Takauto, 2 points. 64-61. Bigay ngayon kay Abalos. Side step. No good. Makukuha ni Tamayo. Tamayo ngayon. Masyadong mataas. Kalimlim to Valdez, turn around and blocked by Digamon to number 3. Magaraag to Morin, and Morin ngayon, di diretso si Morin to number 22. Tamayo, 2 points. Last 5 minutes and 56 seconds, 64-63 to Kalim Lim. And Kalim Lim ngayon, mabibitawan ang bola. Pass break to Tamayo. And Tamayo, 2 points. Balik ang kalamangan sa pulong norte ng isang puntos. Aglugog ngayon, number 11. Aglugog sets the ball for his teammates. Aglugog pa rin to number 5, Kalim Lim. And Kalim Lim looking for the receiver. 10 seconds to shoot to Valdez. Nabigyan ng space. It's a 2 points. Number 20, Morin to Tamayo. Bibigay kay Digamon. And Digamon, magod. Makukuha ni Abalos. Abalos ngayon, bigay kay number 11 na Dugog. Wow, number 22, illegal use of hand and technical. Out of the playing court, number 22, Tamayo. 2 shots for the foul and another 2 shots for the technical. Mag-i-stay sa bench po niya. Okay, that is according sa ating rules for technical free throws.
Bola dane. Oh, mamilo, isa bola to. Yay!
Huwag po tayong umiyaw. That is a fair call. Okay, no basket yung dalawa. Ima-minus po natin. Ang original thrower natin, Abalos.
Score man eh.
First throw is in of number 4, Abalos. For the second throw is no good. To Valdez. First throw is in. Second throw is no good. Norte. Tatlo, 68-65. Our official score is 68-65. Murin. Ibibigay kay Macarod. No good. Lumabas. Nakukuha pa rin ni Macarod. Number 1, Season. And Season, nadulas. Napulot ngayon. Nagalawan. Aglugog pa rin. Number 11. Aglugog to number 8, Valdez. No good. At nakukuha ni Kalim Lim.
Isa lang.
Aglugog ngayon. 10 seconds to shoot. Aglugog. Didiretso si Aglugog on the side to number 5, Kalim Lim. 70-65. 5 puntos ang abante ng Barangay Poblacion Tumasan. At ngayon, number 20 to number 1, Season. 4 minutes and 14 seconds.
Kila ko na. Shoot to tayo.
At sa second throw. No good. Makukuha ngayon ni Kalim Lim. Kalim Lim is now guarded by Digamon. To number 4, Abalos. And Abalos ngayon ibibigay kay Aglugog. Aglugog back to Abalos. Back to Aglugog. Aglugog for 3 but no good. At nakukuha ni Kalim Lim. Number 5 to number 4, Abalos. Nabigyan ng space. Last 3 minutes and 51 seconds. 72-65. Number 26, Morin to Season. And Season ngayon is strongly guarded by number 11. Didiretso ngayon si Season. Season to number 3. Number 20, Morin, bibigay kay Digamon. Digamon ngayon, dalawang gwardiya. And back to number 3, Macarod. It's a 2 points. Number 11. Aglugog.
3 points mo lang.
Aglugog ngayon. Hanap ng diskarte. Bigay kay number 8 Valdez. Strongly guarded by number 20. It's a lane violation of Valdez ng Pulong Norte.
Saliyo!
Morini to number 26. Another Morini. Wala lang. Murin, ibibigay ngayon kay number 3 Macarag, strongly guarded by number 8 Valdez to Season. And Season ngayon, rara ka sa Kudigaman. Third personal ball, penalty situation.
Pati mata ko ano.
Relax lang tayo.
Ang gagawa kay Kulkol.
22-69. Lahat ng manonood, huwag kayong patadala sa emosyon ninyo. Lalo na ilang kayo, wala sawa yung mga number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog to number 5, Kalimlim. 10 seconds to shoot. Kalimlim lang pumilit. No good. Seconds to shoot. And Valdez. 75-69 to number 26. At muli nilibigay kay Season. It's the 2 points of Season. 75-71. Apat na puntos ang kalamangan.
Magay, tulak yun. Mantulak, mantulak.
All number 3 Kalimlim to Valdez. At Valdez ngayon. Didiret na si Valdez. Isang gagawin pa rin na wala. Sinarin. Good. Makukuha pa rin ni Amalos. Amalos. Nilabas kaya Lugog. Ang Lugog. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez. Good. Number 20. Chris Season. Didiret na ngayon si Season. There's a 2 points. 75-73. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Yes!
Aglugog! Good work! Follow up! Makukuha ngayon number 3. Holding foul! Number 11, penalty situation.
Yun ay
On the
bibigay.
second throw of number 3, Macarag. Is no good. Makukuha ni number 12 to number 5. Amalas to number 5. Number 11, Aglugog. Aglugog to Kalimlim. And Kalimlim ngayon, bibigay kay Amalos. Amalos takes the time. Amalos, 10 seconds to shoot to Kalimlim. And Kalimlim ngayon. Personal foul. On the second throw. Unsafe by lane violation. Valdez, number 8. 76-73, last 1 minute and 10 seconds.
1 minute.
At ngayon, number 1, Season. Season to number 20. Back to Season. Season. Again. Follow up by number 26, Marin. Last 2 to 7.7 seconds. 75. Laman ng isang puntos ang barangay Poblacion. And number 8, Valdez. At 5. Number 5. 5-5.
Antay na tulak.
Barangay Pulong Norte. 75 sa Pulong Norte. Magkakaroon ng giveaway, sabi ng Pulong Norte. Number 3 magkaroon. Ayun, number 3 magkaroon. Is Madrid, makuha ang bigaman. For last 21.3 seconds. At ngayon, number 11 to Galiotes, number 26. Galiotes is strongly guided by number 3. Dinidiretso ngayon, 31 seconds. Number 11 at Lugod. And there is a foul. Fourth personal foul and penalty situation. 8.1 seconds. Ang second throw. 28.1 seconds. Abante ng isang puntos ang Barangay Poblacion. Valdez. Personal foul. Pushing foul. Bola pa rin ng Barangay Pulong Norte. Sige, tuloy. Reserve time now. Sige, sige. Last 21.6 seconds. 78, 77. Number 26, bigyan ka kay Bigaban. At bigyan ko ngayon ang mga diskarte. Lugod. At nakukuha ko ang Lugod. Wow, number one. 5 fouls lang. 5 fouls yung season.
Relax na ba?
Wala na pong time out ang Pulong Norte. Wala na po. Wala na. Poblacion tumasa at ayaw last 2.2 seconds. Extension po tayo. Nadidili yan. Nadidili. Nanonood ng tawag yan.
Sino ko na may basa na lawan sa may time ko ta paano na.
Sideline Iwan, number 26. Bigal kay number 8, Valdez.
Morin. Inside pass to Digamon. Digamon spins. Digamon fires. Block. Loose ball battle won by Avalos. Avalos ngayon. Now to Valdez. Aglugog. To Avalos. Balik kay Aglugog. Aglugog slices the middle. Medium range for 2. 81-79, 4 minutes, 35 seconds remaining in the overtime. Mori tightly guarded, loses his dribble, finds Digamon. Digamon from the low post, Digamon fires. No good. Digamon's first. Yes, good. Digamon second. Yes, out. 1 out of 2. Avalos for the high. Galvietes for the rebound. 81-80. 4 minutes, 13 seconds. Aglugog now. Aglugog. Another turn. No good. Rebound. Makarag. Murid ngayon may tahan ng bola. Makarag. Fires the play. No good. Morin, double team, Morin tinggal pass, nakagaw ni Valdez. Valdez, pass replay, Beltran Luna. 83-80 ang ating score. Morin, Papos. Tinggal pass, makarel to Morin. Malakas, Digamon. Yes! 83-82. Last 3 minutes, 25 seconds. Aglugog now, setting the play. Aglugog, crossover dribble, nakawala. Nugget, Galvietes. Morin ngayon. Morin looking for receiver, finds Makarel, tightly guarded. Libre Morin lays in for 2. The extra period. Aglugog base. Cross-court pass, Avalos, Beltran, block. Last 2 minutes, 41 seconds. Sayang wajan screen na yun, nadidelay ha. Aglugog mo yan. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez for 3. No good. Rebound battle. One way Digamon. And 2 minutes 28 seconds. Digamon second is good. Lamang ng isa ang Pulong Norte. 86-85. Aglugog dribbling the ball. Receive the screen, Aglugog. Aglugog pa rin, 10 seconds to shoot. Beltran Avalos, Avalos rin ito. 87-86. Morin ngayon, Morin. Cross-court pass, Makarel. Second goal. Rattle shot. Double rebound. Won by Valdez. Last 1 minute, 58 seconds. 89-86. Lamang ng tatlo ang tumasan. Bawang Morin. 89-88. Last 1 minute, 40 seconds. Aglugog now, receive the screen. Sinasabi kalapyanan. Makarel double team. Makarel, Morin, last 1 minute, 10 seconds. 91-88 ang ating score. Aglugog now, burning the clock. Last 1 minute, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Aglugog fumbles. Aglugog libre. Nugget, Avalos.
Mani!
10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 41 seconds. At replay. Makarang. Yes. 93-90. 38.3 seconds. Aglugad. Is foul. Foul number. Second row is up. Makarang. 25 seconds. 22.1. Second row is good. 95-90. Last 72.1 seconds remaining. 20 seconds. Morin. Morin. Inside pass. Remaining in the ball game. Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. And time, that's the end of the ball game. Congratulations, Sumashan.